Oberlo versus Spocket. Which dropshipping platform is easier to use? If you're looking to start a dropshipping business or streamline your existing one, the answer to this question could make a big difference. Let's break down the key aspects of both platforms to help you figure out which one suits you better. First up, let's talk about Oberlo. For years, Oberlo has been the go-to platform for many beginners. It integrates directly with Shopify, which makes it super convenient for anyone already using Shopify for their e-commerce store. The interface is fairly straightforward, and adding products to your store is quick and easy. But there's a catch. While the basic setup is simple, once you get into scaling or working with suppliers beyond the usual AliExpress options, things can get a bit trickier. The platform's limited supplier options can leave you wanting more variety or customization. Next thing to consider is Spocket. This platform stands out for offering suppliers mainly from the US and Europe, which can significantly reduce shipping times compared to Oberlo's reliance on AliExpress suppliers, many of whom are based in China. If you're targeting customers in the US or Europe, this could be a major win. The user interface is sleek and easy to navigate, which means setting up your store doesn't feel overwhelming. However, Spocket is more expensive. Unlike Oberlo's free plan, Spocket requires a monthly fee for accessing most of its features, and you might not find the same level of free access. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. When it comes to user experience, Oberlo is pretty much plug and play. If you're already using Shopify, adding products is seamless. The app even automates parts of the order process, saving time. However, once you start adding a wider range of products and suppliers, you might notice that the platform lacks flexibility. If you're looking for advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, and that's when things can get a bit overwhelming for beginners. On the other hand, Spocket's dashboard is well organized, and they've designed the platform with ease of use in mind. It's incredibly user-friendly, and you can easily browse through a wide range of products from US and EU suppliers. However, this ease comes at a price. If you're a budget-conscious entrepreneur just starting out, Spocket's paid plans may put a strain on your wallet, especially when compared to Oberlo's free option. The fourth thing to consider is the product variety. While Oberlo offers an enormous catalog, it can sometimes feel like a bit of a generic marketplace. Many products from AliExpress suppliers often come with long shipping times, and that's a major downside for building customer trust. Spocket, on the other hand, focuses on high-quality suppliers that can provide faster shipping, but their product selection is smaller, which might be restrictive if you want to expand your niche. When it comes to customer support, both platforms do a decent job. Oberlo has a helpful FAQ section, and Shopify's support team can often lend a hand, but reaching out for live chat can be a hassle. Spocket offers email and live chat support, and they're generally responsive, but sometimes their help can be more generic rather than tailored to specific issues. Finally, the big question: what's the best alternative? After trying both Oberlo and Spocket, it's clear that while both platforms offer good features, they come with their own sets of limitations. Oberlo's ease of use is great for beginners, but if you're serious about scaling your business with reliable suppliers and faster shipping, Spocket has more potential. However, neither of them is perfect, especially if you're looking for flexibility and scalability. So, what should you use? After testing both myself, I believe there's a better alternative out there for those looking to take their dropshipping business to the next level. If you want a better solution for easier dropshipping, take advantage of the free trial link in the description below. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.